This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Brittany Pruett. Tucked away at the end of the road, this adorable 2-bedroom, 1-bath home offers the perfect blend of privacy and potential. With over 5 acres to enjoy, there's plenty of space for outdoor activities, gardening, or even expanding. A little fresh paint, new flooring, and your personal touch will make this home shine. Whether you're looking for a peaceful getaway or a place to put down roots, this property is a fantastic opportunity to create your own countryside haven. Don't miss out, come see the possibilities. For more information, review the details below or contact Brittany Pruett at 479-774-3962.